Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of grant application management with ClickUp, your all-in-one 2025 guide to streamlining the grant application process. To kick things off, let's create a new workspace. Click on the plus icon on the left sidebar. This workspace will be the hub for all your grant applications. This is an important step because it compartmentalizes each grant application, making it easier to manage and track. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a new folder within this workspace. Simply click on the plus Add button next to Folders. Each folder can represent a different grant program. The reason we do this is to keep all related tasks, discussions, and documents for each grant application neatly organized in one place. Once the folder is set up, it's time to create lists. Each list can represent a specific grant application under the program. Click on the plus Add button next to Lists. This helps us because it further breaks down each grant program into specific applications, helping you manage multiple applications efficiently. With our lists in place, let's add tasks. Click on New Task under each list to add tasks. Each task could represent a step in the application process, such as prepare budget or draft proposal. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each task becomes a trackable item, making it easier to monitor progress and deadlines. Now let's assign tasks. Click on the Assign button in each task and delegate to team members. The reason we do this is to distribute work evenly and ensure each task is taken care of. This also allows for better collaboration and transparency among the team. Finally, let's set due dates for each task. Click on the calendar icon in each task to set a due date. This is critical because it helps you keep track of deadlines and ensures tasks are completed on time. With this setup, you can now monitor your grant application progress, delegate tasks, and meet deadlines all within one platform. The beauty of ClickUp is that it gives you a clear overview of your grant application process, helping you stay organized and efficient. So there you have it, your complete 2025 guide to using ClickUp for grant application management. Remember, effective project management is about breaking down large tasks into manageable parts, and that's exactly what ClickUp allows you to do. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.